Good afternoon, everyone. I'd like to go over the April 1st E-mini trade recommendation that we were able to take and trade live in the room. When we started out the day on our AM research call, the idea was to be a seller at 74.76. Our buy area started out at 65, 67, and we put it up to 68, and then finally it was at 70, 71, and we don't get to this trade until this portion of the day. So we had to wait quite a bit for our buy recommendation to set up. So the day started out, and as you can see right here, there's the only trading that you can get. There are no setbacks. The market just breaks out. There's 1, 2, 3 thrusts higher before the market finally does find some selling. And our screens give you a lot of information. Right here is the peak commercial buying. We track the large institutional traders. We filter for volume. And right here was the peak buying. And you can see when the market rallied to establish the day's high, they were sellers. They started to liquidate their length. You can see that in this pane number 3. Our retest failure trade is based on retesting a pivot high that is denoted by a down pointer, a black down pointer, and right here we retest that high. It holds, and this is our signal bar right here, and when we take out the low of that signal bar, we sell stop into the market, and we're able to get off a trade at 75. The market then trades down to 69.50. You had a shot at making upwards of 5 points if you played trade for the market going down and getting stops below 70. So we had our idea, we got our setup, our retest failure setup up here. We take the trade based on the signals, and the market does sell, achieving our profit goals. And the information that you have behind you right here in this pane number 3, you can just see the level of institutional buying, which is denoted by blue, and red by selling. And right here you can see that the institutions' peak selling came right in this area. And then as the market starts up, they go back to the buy side. And that takes the market to new highs as the day closes. So this morning we started off wanting to be sellers at 74.76. We also had a buy recommendation in the 67, 68 area. We did move it up to 70 to 71. So our buy came down here off of our normal setups. But the retest failure trade is probably the trade we take 70-75% of the time. And it is our mainstay or bread and butter trade. Come back and visit us in the future. We'd like to share our trading ideas and setups with you, and we look forward to your visiting us again. Good trading.